Today we are all virtually gathered here for the welcome ceremony for the new first year batch. I, Ajinkya Mahajan from final year, warmly welcome you all to today's program. अब मैं सबसे निवेदन करता हूँ कि इस शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत प्रार्थना से करें। नमन।
मातृदेवाय नमः मातृदेवाय नमः पितृदेवाय नमः पितृदेवाय नमः
मानवाय
महामानवाय
नमः
नमः
देहमन्दिर चित्तमन्दिर एकते प्रार्थना
तस्य सुन्दरमङ्गलाचि
सुन्दरमङ्गलाचि
नित्य हो
नित्य हो
आराधना दुःखितांचे सुख
दुःख
जाओ
जाओ
मनाची कामना वेदना जाणवायला जागरूक तेरा दुर्बलांच्या रक्षणाला पौरुषाची साधना सत्य सुंदर मंगलाची नित्य हो आराधना जीवनी नव तेच राहो अंतरंगी भावना सुंदराता वेद लाभो मानवाच्या जीवना शौर्य लाभो धैर्य लाभो सत्यता संशोधना सत्य सुंदर मंगलाची नित्य हो आराधना भेद सारे मागरूप्या वैद साऱ्या वासना मानवाच्या एकेते पूर्ण हो कल्पना मोक्ष आम्ही फक्त मानू बंधुतेच्या वंदना सत्य सुंदर मंगलाची नित्य हो आराधना विश्व में शांति हो विश्व में शांति हो जय जगत जय जगत Please proceed, sir.
Thank you, Naman. Right, Rachana, to give a brief introduction about Antarvarti Homeopathic Medical College.
Am I visible, sir?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, all the teachers and students. Today we are all here to welcome the newest batch of this year, the first year batch, 2021. I welcome you all to the growth of homeopathic medical science with great enthusiasm and also give you our best wishes for your new journey. So I am here to introduce you all to our college, Antargati Homeopathic Medical College. Our institution is a humble attempt to put fundamental educational ideas imparting life building, man making, and character building medical education under Antargati Ashram to produce an ideal homeopathic doctor. Our college, Antargati Homeopathic Medical College, was established by respected Dr. Madhukar Chittekar. He is the founder director of our college. He envisioned an educational system wherein the rich cultural and spiritual heritage of our society, with its hoary tradition of values like sacredness of knowledge and devotion of truth, would be blended with modern medical science and animist philosophy for higher purposes of existence. The Antarbharti Ashram was established in Gaba, Nagpur in 1959 to strengthen the neglected part of society. The Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, that is BHMS course, was started in our college in 1994. Since then, our college is one of the most respected homeopathic medical colleges in our country. Our college holds a record of most successful results with 100% passing of batches. We also conduct various programs such as blood donation camp, organ donation programs, Arogya Abhiyan, Vishwa Shanti Yatra, Save Well Abhiyan, and many more. We also have cultural programs, sports activities, and other exciting competitions to encourage students in all over. Students from our college have also won Dr. Malki Allen Noble Award for scoring first position in final PHMS examination. It is the world's largest award ceremony in the field of homeopathy. Along with this, there are many more works and contributions that we, the JMC family, is the proudful owner, done in variety of streams, whether it is research-based or social or academic. We are always there. Now, I also want to introduce you all to our beloved and respected Dr. Meena Singha ma'am, the principal of our college. She is also the first female principal of our college. She is very humble and kind person. Her efforts to help every student is the mark of her kindness and her efficiency toward her job. She is great doctor with years of huge experience. She is always there for students who need guidance and help. Here, we welcome you, the new batch of HMC family, and hope you will successfully carry this karma, which our respected director founder, Dr. M.G. Chittibhau, has initiated. Best wishes to you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rachana. That was a very well summed up detail about the achievements, great history, and rich cultural heritage of Antarbharati Homeopathic Medical College. India to give a introduction of the first year teachers.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. I would also request the teachers to please switch on their video and speak a few words after their introduction so that the students would be
Okay. A very fresh good morning to one and all present
addressed.
here. I'm really very glad.
Continue, sure.
Excuse me. A very fresh good morning to one and all present here. I'm really very glad and grateful that I've got this golden opportunity to introduce our first year teachers to the freshers. I would like to start by saying that the great heroes and heroines of our society are of course the teachers of students in their first years. Once a child has been shown what the natural world is, it will live with them forever. Let me simplify this. We enter in first year like how small babies enters into this new world with lots of doubts and questions, with fear and uncertainty of our future. Now, therefore, it becomes a difficult task for the teachers to make you comfortable and vanish your fear, anxiety, and confusion about your future. As we all know, that the first year is the last, first impression is the last impression. So either students might fall in love with homeopathy or they might regret it. But no worries, our teachers of HMC are like diamonds. With their skills and professionalism, they surely make you fall in love with this beautiful science of homeopathy. So let me introduce you all with them, starting from a very great professor who is the most punctual, disciplined, sincere, hardworking, and a strict teacher. On the other hand, kind-hearted and soft with $1 million smile. His simplicity and positive thinking teaches us how to live a good and a grateful life. He reaches the class strictly at 9 a.m. even before the student enters, which shows his punctuality and dedication towards his students. So dear freshers, अगर कोई शिक्षक इतनी ईमानदारी और शिद्दत से पढ़ाते हैं तो क्या ये हमारा फर्ज नहीं बनता कि हम भी पंचुअल हो और सर से ज्यादा ज्ञान प्राप्त करने की कोशिश करें? You all might have understood that I'm talking about head of the Department of Anatomy, Dr. Sanjay Chaudhary sir. I heartily welcome you, dear sir.
Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Welcome to this program, sir. Next, I would like to introduce you all to the cutest ma'am who has a charming smile on her face. इनके डायग्राम्स इतने सुंदर होते हैं कि स्टूडेंट्स के दिल और दिमाग में छप जाते हैं. She teaches us the art of depicting what we want to say through diagram. Yes, I'm talking about Dr. Trupti Chaudhary ma'am. Welcome to this program, ma'am.
Thank you, dear my friends. Most welcome.
Ma'am, can you please
Thank you, ma'am.
switch on your video so that the students can see you?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Now let's know about the teachers of physiology department. A very strict teacher, disciplined teacher, who is full of wisdom of knowledge. She tries her level best to explain students by the use of different technologies. Give a logical explanation about why and how different system works. I have guessed that I'm talking about HOD of Physiology, Dr. Nilima Bannori ma'am. A hearty welcome to you, dear ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Also for physiology, we have a teacher whom every student adores. She teaches in such a way that in the lecture itself, the topic will be prepared for your exams. She keeps motivating her students and gives tips and tricks to remember difficult things. You all are thinking correct. I'm talking about Dr. Sonam Yadav ma'am. Welcome to the program, ma'am. Now I would love to introduce you all to the lovely teachers of pharmacy department. Dr. Gore sir, who is the ex-OD of pharmacy and is the ex-principal of HMC. He never failed in maintaining discipline of the college and in the growth of college. He also did a lot of things for the development of college. You can't stop smiling after seeing his wonderful smile. Also, he's a very uplifting, supportive, persistent, punctual, analytical, and a dedicated teacher. I welcome you, dear sir. The best teacher teaches from the heart, not from the book. One such teacher is Dr. Bhavna Gedwale ma'am. She is the sweetest teacher ever. ये इतने प्यारे हैं कि इनके गुस्से में भी प्यार और परवाह दिखाई देती है. She is very determined, supportive, and adorable. Welcome to the program, Dr. Bhavna ma'am.
Thank you so much. I would like to welcome and give best wishes to the new first year students.
Thank you, ma'am. I would like to introduce you all with Dr. Nilima Kohane ma'am, who is the HOD of Organon of Medicine. The best lines that depict her nature are, the function of education is to teach one to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of a true education. She is a very disciplined, determined and impactful person. Her speed of writing is same as that of talking, that too with a very beautiful handwriting. Welcome to the program, dear ma'am.
Thank you to dear Shwetam, and I'm very surprised to have such a nice program. On this occasion, I would like to commemorate Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, the founder of homeopathy. Because of him, we are all together here. And next, the director of our college, Kausab Jite. Because of his dedication and determination, we all together are over here as a teacher. And I'm proud of Antarbharti Homeopathic Medical College because I was being a student, and I also pay my tribute to my all teachers of Antarbharti. They have taught me discipline and determination, and because of them, I am here as a teacher in front of you. I would like to thank all 2017 batch for this program and all the other batch students also. So thank you from my bottom of the heart. Thank you, Gagi.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your sweet gesture. Now, I would like to introduce you all with the HOD of Materia Medica. ज्ञान से बड़ा कोई दान नहीं और गुरु से बड़ा कोई दानी नहीं. Dr. Uday Kohane sir is the teacher who makes you believe in the miracles of homeopathy. बिना किताब के क्लास में आते हैं, उन्हें किताब की क्या जरूरत जो आपको अपने लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस से स्टूडेंट्स को सिखाते हैं. Every time he comes to the class, he fills our heart and mind with positive energy and instills the love for homeopathy. I welcome you, dear sir.
Thanks and best wishes to all of you. Hello. Thanks and
Yes,
best
sir.
wishes all of you. Thanks and best wishes all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I also welcome all lovely dedicated teachers to the program. As for the wall to stand firmly, every brick is important. So are the teachers of AHMC equally important for shaping the future of their students. I also welcome all the freshers, seniors, and my batchmates. Thank you.
There could not have been a more beautiful description for the teacher. That was very sweet. Thank you so much, Shweta. I would request all the other teachers present, if they are comfortable with introducing themselves, they can please switch on their video and introduce themselves. All the teachers from the other batches, from the second year, third year, and final year teachers. Dr. Khan, sir.
Thank you, Ajinka. Myself, Dr. Akhilesh Khan. Actually, I am from Bengal, from Calcutta. I attest to this beautiful institution in India, Antar Bharatiya Homeopathy Medical College and Hospital. I pay my regards and respect to Mokta Heliman. My regards and respect to existing principal Suma Madam and former just immediate principal Gore sir and all the teachers. And obviously to my beloved students, those who have taken admission in this beautiful institution, Antarbharati Homeopathy Medical College and Hospital. And I would like to say some key words. Whether Ajinka will go through the slides now or I will at the end.
Sir will show the slide at the end. Now we'll just introduce the teachers.
Okay. So thank you, all of you, those who have taken admission in this beautiful institution in India, Homeopathy Medical College, who constantly give emphasis for the teaching and development of the academy, and also in periphery to develop the character building institution. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, Ajinka, for giving me opportunity to say a few words.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Kite, sir. Dr. Kishore Saire, sir.
Hello, I am Dr. Saire. Welcome all new first year students. I will teach you foreign medicine in second year. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay. Dr. Jyoti, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. First of all, I welcome to new student family, HMC family, homeopathic family. I am your community medicine and I am your community medicine teacher in final year. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ajinkya.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Maya Bucha, ma'am.
Good morning, students. I'm Dr. Mrs. Buche from OBGY department, that is Obstetric and Gynecological department, which I will teach you in third year. I welcome you all in this esteemed institution, AHMC Daba Nagpur, which was which is there with the really hard efforts of Dr. MG Jite, जिनको हम बोलते हैं भाऊ. तो भाऊ के मेहनत से और उनके डेडिकेशन से आज ये इंस्टीट्यूट इतना अच्छे you can say it is in very much upper rank with all the dedication of Dr. Jite sir. Okay, I will once again I welcome you in this institution. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ajinkya.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Dr. Pallavi, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you, and welcome. First year students, HMC. I am teacher of obstetric and gynae, and we will meet in the third year. Best of luck, all of you, and thank you very much.
Dr. Zahra Haq, ma'am.
A very good morning to the newcomer students. Feel proud to be a part of HMC family and become a dedicated homeopath. My best wishes with you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Surekha Wangi. Kede, ma'am. Ma'am, you aren't audible. Dr. Yashwant Deshpande, sir. Can you please speak a few words?
So I am Dr. Y.S. Deshpande. I am general surgeon. I have completed my post-graduation in 1984. So pretty long time before. Earlier I was working as professor and head of the department at Nagpur College of Homeopathy till 2012. And from 2016-17 onwards, I am here in this Dawa College.
I would like to invite Ruchi Shaunan.
Good morning, all the students and teachers. I'm Dr. Ruchi Sahu, Assistant Professor in the Department of Pathology. I welcome all the students and wish them to have a very brightful future in the HMC College and enjoy this journey of learning in the HMC College. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I would like to request Dr. Shinde ma'am to guide us and introduce.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, all the respected teachers and students, and they have arranged this program so wonderfully. I want to introduce myself. I'm Dr. Pragna Shinde, and I'm the professor of the Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology. Okay, I will teach me subject in second year. Okay, thank you so much.
I would like to ask Dr. Akhilesh Khan, sir, to proceed with his video and to share few words.
Beloved first year students, very good morning. Everyone, those who have taken admission in this beautiful institution, as I have already told you. Now I will go through some slides, through which I would like to inform you that what is the opportunity to as a homeopathic graduate in near future. We have got so many national level players in different like volleyball, basketball and others, some guitarist, singer, and as a homeopath, what you will do in near future, that is my object of presentation today. I myself already introduced Dr. Akhilesh Khan. I'm the former principal of some college at Calcutta, Government of West Bengal. And now I am the professor, as a guest emeritus professor of Department of Organic Medicine. Specifically, I will take class in final year. I think you know this particular picture, that the father of the homeopathy, Samuel Hahnemann. However, we start our program always with a respect in everywhere in the world. In every homeopathic doctor and institution, always pay regards to its founder, Samuel Hahnemann. I think already you have studied the life history biography of Samuel Hahnemann, which will influence you or encourage you, or rather it will make a radar in your life to go in a proper way, like a ship. I pay my respects to the founder director of Antar Bharatiya Homeopathic Institution. His dedication and devotion for which this institution has been and built, for which you have taken admission. And there are a lot of homeopathy medical college in Maharashtra. But why this homeopathic institution so much renowned and accepted by the profession as well as by the students? This is a checkered history. So until unless you know the history behind the development of the institution, specifically the history, life history of the Acharya M.G. G.K. Bhav, and you will not get information in details about the Antar Bharatiya Homeopathy Medical College. So I request all of you to go to the life history of G.K. Bhav and history, how this institution has been developed. Day by day, by very slowly, now this beautiful institution. There might be not so much very beautiful building over there, but there is the spirit of homeopathy. There is the love of homeopathy. There is the devotion in homeopathy you will find over here, because we came here for teaching, to learning homeopathic and medical graduates. And we are going to an international language, and we are going to study or pursuing the study of international subject. Now, what is the scope of research? And everyone should know, after passing, what I will do, what will be my object. I know that so many of you already given entrance examination for getting chance in the MBBS course or any other course. By chance or accidentally or incidentally you have taken admission over here. But why? Why? Your parents have permitted you to take admission, but why? What is your future? That you should know. After passing BHMS course, what you will do? After passing chemistry honors or MSc, what you will do? So everybody in the sphere of life, as a philosopher, should think about the matter. What is the opportunity of homeopathy in future? For this subject, I would like to some presentations over here. Now, my dear students, I like to communicate you that I am the first batch of BHMS in India. When India started BHMS course in Calcutta University, I am the first batch of that institution. That is the oldest institution in Asia, Calcutta Homeopathy Medical College Hospital. When I was a student, the lot of opportunity higher education was not available. But now, since last 10 years, that has been introduced. So I was a student of PHMS, and I saw some darkness, but day by day the darkness has been erased and the light has been coming out of the homeopathic education too. Now we have the opportunity after completion of BHMS to pursue the MD course, postgraduate course. That postgraduate course is a 3 years full-time institutional training course, and that postgraduate course is conducted in different institutions in Maharashtra as well as some other part of the country. There are 30 government homeopathy medical colleges, and there are some private homeopathy medical colleges. And most of the government homeopathy medical college, they provided lot of stipends for the MD students or the MG students at par with MBBS course, the 3 years course. So you have some opportunity because of the education always fulfills until unless you go through the higher education. Higher education. So it is the parameter by which the education and the system has been developed and now. So there are 7 subjects, specialty subject through which you can go through the MD course. And already just I have mentioned you, this is a stipendary course. In Maharashtra, there are some private homeopathy medical college who conducting the postgraduate course, and most of them are non-stipendary. And in homeopathy, because of the government colleges are there, they are provided good amount of stipend for you for 3 years only. But it depends on your career, it depends on your result, and depends on your NEET examination that will be conducted for PG courses separately. According to the merit, you will get chance in the National Institute of Homeopathy or any other government college in the country. Apart from that, there is a PhD course, because the PhD course is the highest qualification. Apart from the DSc, Doctor of Science, is not introduced in the homeopathy, but the PhD course is started since last 5 years or 10 years and like that, under Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, under so many universities, in West Bengal University of Health Sciences, under Jaipur Homeopathic University, they have started the PhD course. That PhD course, now it is not the institutional conducting course, it is the self-finance course, but the government of India has started finance course and the PhD course, but very few seats are available with that. The Central Council of Research in Homeopathy conducted PhD course with the full financial support from the government of India. Now, my students, there are one central government college and there are 30 state colleges, there are 231 private colleges, and the one central government college that is located in the National Institute of Homeopathy at Calcutta. Postgraduate and undergraduate courses are over there. And there are another regional institution at the Shillong. They have started another central government college, the regional institute at the Shillong, Meghalaya. They have started. In India, there are 231 private colleges and 54 specifically in Maharashtra in that. And in the profession, after passing, what you will do? Since 2 lakh doctors are doing well and they are running their family with a good, very lucrative manner with the homeopathy. So we don't get proud of it. Don't be anxious of it that what you do after passing that homeopathy course, after graduation course. Whenever there are 200, more than 2 lakhs doctors, professional registered doctors are there, they are doing well. And more than 30,000, I think the figure might be something less or more. My statistics is that there is more than 30,000, it might be more in the present time. There are 30,000 doctors are doing well with homeopathy and they are running their families very lucrative manner without any trouble. Now, what is the job opportunities, my dear students? Obviously, everyone always looks for the job. If there is a job, so there is no problem to do practice, and the practice is not so much easy to do. In every whether is allopathy, Unani, homeopathy, whoever may be, the practice is quite difficult thing because it takes time for achieving the fame and name in your areas where you practice. We have job opportunities. We have job opportunity in the teaching institutions, like 231 teaching institutions. As a lecturer, as the assistant professor, you will get the opportunity in the private homeopathy medical college and government homeopathy medical colleges. We have job opportunity government colleges, and most of the government colleges provided the good students, brilliant students, have a good standard in the education in their graduation and post-graduation courses. So there is a good opportunity. 231 private colleges. So in 231, in the 12 subjects are there, 12 are assistant professors. So a lot of vacancies will find in your life anytime, any point. But you have to pursue the post-graduation. Graduation should not be your aim. Your aim should be post-graduation and the PhD. And until and unless go achieve the higher education, there is a less chance of getting the lectures because the minimum qualification of the lecture is the post-graduate. So in hospital section, because there are 213 in this state, there are 54 running hospital, and there are all institutions should provide their own hospitals, and there is a house physician medical officer scopes, and there are some certain criteria for that, and according to that, you will get the opportunity for the service scope. Apart from that, in government sector, that the medical officer of homeopathy and is posted in the state homeopathic dispensary and PSC and rural sub-centers and NRH, National Rural Health Mission, and now it is nomenclature is given in the Ayush Mission and the RBSK School Health. In your state, 350 homeopathy doctors are employed in the rural areas of Maharashtra as a RBSK medical officers. These schemes are under the central government, and the central government and the NRHM and RBSK they provided a lot of good amount of homeopathy doctors in the rural areas, and with providing some certain amount of their salaries or incentives for that purpose. So medical officer is a good scope. The medical officer is an equivalent scale with the allopathy, and all the graduate doctors will get the same scale. All the graduate, whether allopathy, homeopathy, Unani, graduate, it is a Supreme Court order. Because of the Supreme Court, they passed the order, and I am the witness of that. I am the first batch of BHMS, and we did a case before the Supreme Court. When the allopathy graduates are getting a scale at a certain amount good higher than that of homeopathy, the Supreme Court passed the order. No, all the graduates will get the same scale. Whether it is allopathy, whether it is homeopathy, the graduate should get the same scale. And since then, since 95, all the graduates of the any medical stream are getting the same scale. And so in government sector only, there is some research organization. That research organization is doing a lot of research at present level, and that in the Central Council of Research in Homeopathy, it is the apex body, it is autonomous body. They are conducting research in homeopathy, And the drug laboratories are there. Lot of drug laboratories are there. You find, and also in Maharashtra there are a good number of drug laboratories. In Nagpur itself, there are a good number of laboratories, and I know that they are having good manufacturing unit, and they also provided doctors and others for their laboratories. So we. Hello. हाँ हो जाए, अभी हो जाए, ये तो हो गया हाँ नाउ ओके ठीक है मैं दिस इज द लास्ट स्लाइड now the recruitment process, the praise, advertisement, selection process, written examination, PSC, UPSC respective interview, and the Central Council of Research and Homeopathy Research Scope, even the IITs, different IITs, even the Mumbai IIT, Kanpur IIT, Delhi IIT, they are also inviting and the homeopathic doctors to do research. Even all the IITs are provided by the homeopathic doctors as the medical officers. With these words, I would like to conclude my lecture. I would like to conclude my lecture with these words, my students. Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous. We have a lot of scope in future for doing. Though it has a lot of slides. Just in a nutshell, I would like to communicate you. I would like to inform. Don't get nervous. Any stream of science, if you study very sincerely, obviously, whether it's a physics, whether it's a chemistry, whether it's history, whether it's Sanskrit, whether it's the Marathi language, whatever might be, you please study sincerely, try to understand the subject sincerely, and try to do better result. With these words, I would like to conclude my lecture because the time is too short. Thank you, Ajinka. Now, Mike is hand over the mic.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. I would like to call upon Naman to conclude today's meet.
Okay, so I'm moving to the vote of thanks. तो हम क्योंकि आखिरी दौर पर है एक्टिविटी में काफी समय हो गया, ये मीटिंग करने का कारण ये था कि जितने भी जूनियर्स हैं और टीचर्स हैं सभी एक दूसरे को जाने और ये कॉलेज क्या है, होम्योपैथिक आश्रम क्या है, ये सब भी जाने। और मैं देखता हूँ कि जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं बहुत अच्छे तरीके का जो उन्होंने इंट्रोडक्शन दिया और बहुत अच्छी चीजें जानते हैं, तो हम लोग सब इनका वेलकम करते हैं। और इस दौर में जो कि कोविड का दौर है और क्योंकि हम होम्योपैथ्स हैं और एज अ फिजिशियन हम इसमें हम फ्रंट लाइन वर्कर्स हैं, तो हमने अपने आप को भी अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए जो काम कर रहे हैं और जो सीख रहे हैं ये सब चीजों से। तो हम सब ने अपने आप को अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए, बस हमने आसपास में जितना हो सके अच्छी एनवायरनमेंट बनाने की कोशिश करना चाहिए। तो इंसान के द्वारा जान बचाने के लिए जिन ज्ञात और अज्ञात शहीदों ने अपनी कुर्बानियां दी, उन सब शहीदों को मैं नमन करता हूँ। सबसे पहले तो मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ प्रकृति को, जिसने इतने कठिन काल में भी हमें और आपको सुरक्षित रखा और एक दूसरे से रूबरू होने का मौका दिया। अब मैं हमारे रेस्पेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल मैम, रेस्पेक्टिव टीचर्स और सभी मेरे साथी और हमारे परिवार से जुड़े नए साथियों का मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि वे आए और इस काल में भी हमें हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए वक्त दिया। मैं एक जरूरी सूचना देना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे कि हमारे कॉलेज की परंपरा रही है कि फोर्थ ईयर ये कॉलेज की स्टूडेंट की ओर से मैनेजमेंट संभालता है, तो इसी परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाते हुए यहाँ से बैच 2017 इस कारवां को आगे बढ़ाएगी। जो नई बैच हमसे जुड़ी है उनके लिए देना हो, कुछ रिस्पॉन्स हो, तो वो डायरेक्टली 2017 मैनेजमेंट से आकर फ्रीली वो अपनी बात रख सकती है और बिना हिचकिचाहट के हमारे पास आए, वो प्रिंसिपल मैम के पास में जाए, डॉक्टर अखिलेश खान सर हैं मतलब जिनके पास में क्या नहीं पता हो, ये चीज हम मतलब बोल सकते हैं क्या पता है, ये चीज आपको सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है। कोई भी एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड कुछ चीज हो, कुछ सोशल चीजें रहती है, एकेडमिक चीजें रहती है, रिसर्च बेस्ड चीजें रहती है, हम सब अवेलेबल हैं। तो ये सूचना है हमारे नए साथियों को जो हमारे परिवार से जुड़ रही है। और सबसे जरूरी सूचना है कि जैसे कि हमें इस पैंडेमिक ने सिखाया है कि हम्बलनेस, लव एंड पीस हमने आपस में रखना जरूरी है। तो इसी बात को कॉलेज की भी ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन सेशंस के दौरान बनाए रखें। धन्यवाद आप सभी का एक और बार इस वेलकम सेरेमनी का पार्ट बनने के लिए। और मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ अजिंक्य सर का, तन्वी महाजन, ओमनाथ जी का, रजल्फा खान, रचना कासिपुरे, श्वेता घाटी और पूरी टीम और PHMS 2017 बैच मैनेजमेंट टीम और जितने भी टीचर्स और जितने लोग जो हमें पर्दे के आगे नहीं दिखते हैं, लेकिन उनकी भी भूमिका उतनी महत्वपूर्ण होती है जो पर्दे के आगे रहते हैं। लोगों की उतनी भूमिका होती है और उतनी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका होती है जो लोग पर्दे के पीछे रहते हैं। और इसके बाद सबसे जरूरी बात कि सब लोग अपना और अपनों का और हो सके तो परायों का भी ध्यान रखें, क्योंकि जैसा कि हमारी अंतर्भारतीय आश्रम और होम्योपैथी कॉलेज की संस्कृति सिखाती है, क्या सिखाती है? कोई बोलना चाहेगा? हेलो,
जिसका कोई नहीं उसके हम है भाई।
यस, जिसका कोई नहीं उसके हम है भाई। तो इस संस्कृति को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हमें कहीं दूर नहीं जाना पड़ता ये सब सीखने के लिए। हमारे आश्रम में, हमारे कॉलेज में ये सब हमें इंसान बनाने की प्रक्रिया से ये सब चीजें जोड़ती है। हम यहाँ पर डॉक्टर फिजिशियन बनने नहीं आते, हम यहाँ इंसान, अच्छे इंसान बनने आते हैं। तो ये सब चीजों को ध्यान रखते हुए हम कॉलेज में रहते, कॉलेज के अंदर, कॉलेज के बाहर एक अच्छे इंसान की भूमिका हर जगह निभाएं। तो जो भाव ने हमें सिखाया है हम उसी चीज को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। विश्व में शांति हो। जय जगत, जय जगत, जय जगत। अगर किसी को भी प्रतिक्रिया देनी हो, रेस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स, रेस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल मैम,
Yeah, I want to speak.
कोई स्टूडेंट को भी प्रतिक्रिया देनी हो तो वो प्लीज दे सकते हैं। Yes, sir.
Yes, Sasmit, we'll come to you when
Yes,
Subha
ma'am.
is done speaking.
Subha, ma'am, please.
No. Before me, I'll give you the last.
Okay.
Let Sasmit
Okay.
talk. Yeah.
Yes, Sasmit, you wanted to say something.
Yes, sir. So at last, on the behalf of all the first year seniors, we CRs want to give a vote of thanks to all our seniors, super seniors, Adarniya Zite sir, and below principal Summa ma'am. And a special thanks to Dr. Akhilesh Khan sir for the wonderful information in homeopathy, and a hearty tribute to Master Samuel Hahnemann. Thank you all. It was a very, very great experience. So stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sasmit. Now we'll come to Subha. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Requested you.
Yeah. Naman,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
very nice you talk. I'm proud of you.
Thank you,
beta.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Now, see, at last, what I feel that this is my genuine responsibility to say the thanks to you people, you know. So, on
We
behalf
are
of
thankful,
all
ma'am.
teachers,
We are thankful, ma'am. We have learned from you.
no, it's okay, beta. On behalf of all teachers, you know, I feel so much gratitude to you people. I mean, like all seniors, then the CR of all classes, then your organizing committee, all students, you know, I'm very much thankful to you, and your program was very nice. And within a short time period, you have arranged very nicely. But you know, rather than that part, this thanking you part, I am very satisfied, you know, and I'm very happy that at least my seniors should realize their responsibility. The new juniors had came and we must do something for them. So this is very satisfied. I'm so satisfied about you people, for all the students, all the seniors. Okay, so I'm very thankful to you. Let you continue this. These all responsibilities. Let you continue. Always you should remember this is your genuine responsibility. This is your. I'm so happy when the you people had asked me about this program. So I'm so happy that at least
my students my students knows this responsibility that they should have to do this program. Okay, so I'm so happy and so thankful to you for the first year, new first years. I would like to inform them. I would like to tell you them. See, all first year students, our college is a very famous college for the sincereness, for honestness, and for the regular classes. You can ask to others, you can see the other colleges also, they don't have the regular classes. But in comparison of other colleges, our colleges are exactly so famous, in all over India, ऑल ओवर महाराष्ट्र में कि ये कॉलेज में बहुत सारे क्लासेस होते हैं एवरी टीचर इज हैविंग देयर ओन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड दे कंप्लीट देयर ओन सिलेबस आल्सो ऐसे कभी नहीं होता है कि कोई टीचर ने सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं किया है सो आई एम टेलिंग यू द ऑल फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स do regularly attend the classes and remember always that your attendance will be the 80% attendance. So nice of you, the lights have been on now. So maintain the discipline. All students first year maintain the discipline of your individual class. Okay, don't do like this that you are chatting in the groups and all these things. Maintain the individual discipline of individual class. Do attend the regular classes. Do hard work and get the success. Okay. So thank you all the students, seniors, and even thanks for the first year also. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, juniors, and thank you, respected seniors. Thank you, teachers. Thank you all. Stay safe.
Thank you so much.
Stay healthy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hereby conclude the meeting.
Yeah.